Alright, so it's time to clean this area right here of my dining room. So let's get started, guys. So at the same time, I'm trying out this new wood cleaner because Dollar Tree, I have not found the awesome wood cleaner lately. That was my favorite thing to use. So this one is called Powerhouse. Let's give this a try, guys. Alright, so I know I have some stuff there on the floor. I'm gonna have to move that later. And we're going to go ahead and wipe this back table down. This is normally where I display a lot of my items, and I like to change them out, especially my DIYs. So we're wiping this down, and then we're going to go ahead and decorate. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Clean and Decorate, and this is being hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle. That's myself and Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. And you, come and join us, guys. Now Clean and Decorate collaboration, open collaboration, is held the first Monday of the month at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now I'm also going to clean. I have that little corner shelf there. I'm just going to wipe everything down and probably rearrange a little bit, not much, because I'm loving the wood items there. So I'm leaving you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy until we get to the reveal. Okay, so I like the way that back table came out. So let's just go ahead and dust this off and let's see what I come up with over here. So I will see you at the reveal. Okay, so I think everything came out beautiful. I just mainly wanted to dust everything off, and I just wanted to declutter some of that back wall. So, or at least move some stuff from that back wall because it was just looking like too much. So now it's like a little bit light and airy. Looks great, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.